If you want to add a domain to your Bluehost hosting and set up a multi-site workflow the right way, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. Whether you're connecting a brand new domain or adding a domain you already own, Bluehost makes it pretty straightforward once you know exactly where to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy hosting and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website section. This is where Bluehost keeps your site management tools, so this is the main place you'll be working from. Next, select the website you want to add the domain to. If you have more than one site on your hosting plan, make sure you choose the correct one before moving forward. After selecting it, click Manage Site. This opens the settings for that specific website, which is important if you're setting up multiple domains or managing multiple projects. Now look for the Domains tab and open it. Inside this area, Bluehost gives you access to your connected domains and domain-related settings. This is the section where you'll actually attach your new domain to the hosting account. Once you're in the Domains tab, click Add Domain. Bluehost will then ask you to enter the domain name you want to add. Carefully type in the full domain exactly as you want it connected, and then click Continue. After that, Bluehost will guide you through the next prompts to connect the domain to your hosting plan. Follow each prompt on screen, one by one. Depending on your setup, Bluehost may ask you to confirm the domain assignment or select how you want the domain to be used with your existing site. Now, if your domain is registered somewhere else, there is one very important step you should not skip. You need to make sure the domain is pointed to Bluehost's Nameservers. Without that, the domain may not properly connect to your hosting account, even if you add it inside Bluehost. So if your domain is still with another registrar, log in there and update the Nameservers to Bluehost's required settings. Once that's done and the connection is processed, your domain should appear under Connected Domains. That tells you Bluehost has recognized the domain and linked it to your hosting plan successfully. At this point, your multi-site setup is ready to move forward. You can now manage your domain from Bluehost, connect it to the correct site, and keep all of your hosting organized in one place. If you're building multiple websites or expanding an existing account, this is the cleanest way to keep everything under control. And that's it. You've now added a domain to Bluehost hosting. If this walkthrough saved you time, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Bluehost tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.